Okay, so you see here, all this is rust. Big crack over in this corner here. It's caving in. It's all cracked, rust. So I'm going to cut this. Now you can see it right across here. Come around. I'm not going to cut the whole piece. I'm going to stop right about here and come down. Because all this is good. There's a spot here rusted. This is rusted. Really, I could take it down to here. So I'm still deciding, looking underneath, decide if I'm going to cut here or further down. I'll let you guys know when I get to that point.